Hi, this is Carma Spence of the Author Switch, and this is a demo of a new custom GPT that I've created called Keyword to Content Idea Generator. And what this does is you give it your topic, your ideal client, and your content pillars, and it generates 15 content ideas for you and organizes them by your content pillars, by which of the 3 phases of the customer buying journey it is, and then gives you a little description and a sort of starter script so that you can get going and running with it. And it's all based on keywords that your ideal clients would be using to find content about your topic. I just wanted to demo this for you. I'm going to demo it with a made-up avatar, and then I'm also going to demo it again with one of my blogs. So when you get to here, you see this button here. It says, let's generate some ideas together. So you click on that, and it will ask you, what topic do you want to focus on? So the topic that I've chosen, I'm going to be using an executive coach who works with women leaders in the tech sector, and the topic she's going to write about is overcoming imposter syndrome. So you type in your topic and you click enter, and now it'll ask you who your audience is. Be specific as possible. If you have a client avatar handbook, you can go ahead and upload that here and say, my avatar's here. I'm just going to type in women leaders in the tech sector because that's who this particular executive coach works with. Click it, and now it's going to say, hey, here are 15 keywords that my ideal client, who is a woman leader in tech, might use when looking for information about overcoming imposter syndrome. So what you do is you look through this list and you decide whether you think those keywords are good or not. If you need some refinement, go ahead and ask for refinement. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to say looks good. And so now it's going to generate 15 titles of either a video or it could be a blog post. Basically, I've said video, but it could be any piece of longish form content. It could be a webinar. It's going to generate titles based on those keywords. And then you take a look at the list and you say, do you need it refined or is it okay as is? For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to say it looks good. Now it's going to ask you about your content pillars. So you go ahead and you put your content pillars in there and you push enter. And here's the brilliance. It's going to generate a table that organizes those 15 ideas by what pillar your pillar is, where the customer might be in the customer journey, either awareness, considering, or decision. And then it's also going to give you a short description of that topic, which can sometimes be used as a hook or a meta tag, and then a really short script that basically says, here's the hook. Sometimes it'll give you 5 bullet points. Sometimes it'll just say, create 5 points here. And then what you can do is you can copy this table and paste it into an Excel spreadsheet, and you're good to go for 15 pieces of content. 15 pieces of content, if you did 1 a week, that is a little over 3 months of content, and it took me 5 minutes. Let's try again, and we'll do it for my food blog, just to show you that it's very versatile. It doesn't matter what your content is. So I go here, I click enter. What topic do I want to focus on? Let's say I want to focus on healthy sandwiches. My target audience is busy women who want to be more creative in the kitchen. Okay, so here's my 15 keywords. Quick, healthy sandwich recipes, creative sandwich ideas, healthy lunch sandwiches, easy sandwich recipes for work, nutritious sandwich. These are great keywords. So I'm going to say great. Now it's going to give me 15 titles 10 quick healthy sandwich recipes for busy women, easy and nutritious sandwich recipes for on the go, protein-packed sandwiches to keep you energized, healthy sandwich spreads you need to try. Oh, these are great topics. So I'll say, great. Now it's going to ask me about my content pillars, and I will put those in. And here we go. And look at this. I just got 15 ideas for my food blog that are really cool. All about healthy sandwiches. Gluten-free sandwiches. Healthy sandwiches for meal prep. Gourmet sandwich. I might use some of these. So there you go. This is this is a custom GPT, and you can have it for free, no strings attached, other than you need to join my Facebook group. It is free to anyone who's a member of my Facebook group, and you can join. It's called the Author Switch Club, where discerning entrepreneurs turn on the author switch and leverage the power of books to grow your business. All you do is go in as a member and then just let me know that you want this GPT, and I will DM you the link. I hope that's helpful, and I will see you later.